Comfort Kitchens of New Hampshire is a family-owned and operated business located in southern New Hampshire. Comfort Kitchens prides itself on a balance of quality kitchen and bath products to fit every household's budget. From start to finish, Comfort Kitchens will fill your remodeling needs with complete and comprehensive services including plumbing, electrical, flooring, and much more. Our professional staff will guide you through the process of creating the ultimate kitchen or bathroom that creates a functional living space for your family filled with inspiration, style, and above all, comfort. Comfort Kitchen's design and installation services extend beyond just kitchens and bathrooms. We can custom design laundry rooms, bars, mudrooms, entertainment centers, offices, and closets. Let us help you transform that little nook or wasted space into a functional area. You'll be amazed at what a little cabinetry, shelving, and custom desktop can do. Please stop in and visit us at 127 Rockingham Road in Derry in the Hillside Plaza and see why we were voted the #1 kitchen and bath dealer in the local area. Also check out our Facebook page and our website.